everyone, welcome to my channel Basics with Meeta. Hope everyone is doing great. So here in this video I'm going to inform you about the email extraction, email scrapping, and how you can do, what formula you can use to extract the email as per your niche. If you're doing the affiliate marketing, and let's say if you're having the product of weight loss and beauty related product, then you must have to reach to salon or beauty company so that you can promote your product and you can get the benefit. So with this method I'll be telling you that how you can extract the email with which formula, and in this video I'll tell you that using Instagram how you can extract the emails from the Instagram. And also this will be helping you out if you're doing the digital marketing, and if you have to target the particular companies to reach for the website designing services, entire thing, so you can approach them and you can ask them about, if they are interested in your services. So this video is only for the informational purpose, and I would request do not misuse it. This is only for the informational purpose so that you can get more and more benefit. While doing mails, please always mention the subscriber button, so that people who are not interested, they will unsubscribe it, and who are interested, they will subscribe it, basically, so that they won't get the mail from you again and again. So without troubling anyone else, just gain benefit and do your work. So I'll mention the disclaimer also, so do not misuse it. This is only for your informational purpose, and I thought on my channel I'm having this idea, so I thought why not to share with you all. You all are my family and you must know about these things. So let's see how we can extract the email. I'm taking an example. If you are having the beauty related product, and if you want to target to the Instagram customers and people, so how you can do. So here already I had made search, that is why it is showing you here. So you can say that also you can replace, if you're having the weight loss related product, so you can simply mention weight loss, and the same formula you will be using it here. So what you have to do, you can see that here it's inverted comma Gmail, then you have to close the inverted comma, and here is the particular state or country, whatever you want you can mention. I have mentioned here Mumbai location, and you have to open up the inverted comma and then close it. Now you'll give the space and again open up the inverted comma and mention the instagram.com, and you will have to close it. So this is the formula you will be using to get the Gmail IDs on Instagram of the particular customers and the clients, so that you can reach to them via mail. So this is the formula you'll be using. And one more thing I'll check, you can see that already I got the result here. I'll check that my all the pages are open up or not. Here you can see that it's already on 100. If you get it on 10 or 20, so you have to move it to 100, so that you can get the entire data in 1 or 2 pages. And the other setting you have to do already, like the current reason I'm having the same, so I'll click on it. If you're doing for other countries, and if you have selected the state of other countries, so you can see that multiple states are here. You can select like UK, United States, and you will make the changes accordingly. You'll be getting the result of the particular countries. So this is how you have to do. Now I am having the all the result available here. You can see that. So what I'll be doing, I'll scrap the email now. I'll extract the email. For that I'm using the skymam.com. This I find it helpful, because here I can get the duplicate mail as well, and it separate that, so that I can get the proper emails without just getting the duplicate in it. So what you will have to do, you will have to select by pressing Ctrl A, then Ctrl C to copy it, go on SkyMam, and here you have to paste by pressing Ctrl V. Now I'm going to extract the emails here. See the list. 53 emails I am getting from the Instagram with this formula in Mumbai location. So you can see that these are the emails, and you can easily target and you can easily pitch them about your services without troubling them. Mention the unsubscribe button so that they can easily unsubscribe if they were not interested in it. So this is how you can do, and this is one of the best method that I do even follow. And one more thing I want to tell, if you want to go for the info related IDs, like we are having the limited info related IDs, so simply you have to replace the Gmail to info, and you will have to make the search again. And you can check the setting again, like it is on 100 or not, so that you can get the entire data on 1 or 2 pages only. So as I had made already the changes, so this would be having the same. So you can see that already I'm getting the data here on 1 page only. I'll repeat the same activity. I'll copy it by selecting, and then I'll go to SkyMam, and on the same data I'll just paste it. I'll click on extract email. Now you can see that I got the 70 emails. Earlier I was having the mails, and you can see that info mail IDs is also included here. You can see like Bride, MedUp, and these are the company's name you can approach. So see that these are the salon, I think beauty salon. You can see that entire data I'm getting here. And if you can change the even niche here, like salon you can mention, and weight loss, beauty, entire thing. So you can see that how many datas I am getting here. It's a 70 emails you can easily approach. And one more thing I wanted to inform, that I have made video on email marketing, free email marketing. You can check my playlist of email, or in the video you can see that I have informed how you can do the free bulk mailing without any paying method. You can use the Outlook ID, Gmail ID, or your iPhone iCloud ID to mail, and that is really helpful. If you do, you will get to know that how easy it is to do the bulk mail. So I would only request, if you like this video, also please do subscribe it, because it takes a lot to make the videos, and I hope it's really going to help you out. And you can check the email marketing videos I'm going to give in the description link also, so you can check. So do subscribe it now, give thumbs up to this video if you find it helpful, and do share it.